Toes up. Now you ready to press your button. It's okay.
Me and Mama.
I'm going to send this video to Grandmama. Ready to press your button? Put your toes up, baby. There you go. Can you turn it around to go on the sidewalk? I don't know if you want to go that way. How about